on a hillside overlooking the western sea. As I asked him one simple question, he looked away from me. Now he was old and lived a learned life. This man knew more than most men will. And still I asked him the same question. He retained his silence still. I stood there gazing at the trees and the ocean, wondering why he wouldn't speak. Then it came to me in one quick motion, and I apologized for interrupting his peace. I walked away, thanking him inside for answering my questions and saving my pride. He'd answered me the only way he could, but time had taught him much of man, and so he understood.